Ta-da! Driving far. Thank you, friends!
After a long day, the monkey drove his colorful truck back to the garage. Workers helped him offload the goods. He felt tired but happy. He ate fruits and watched the sunset, ready for tomorrow.
One day, Monkey visited the fruit fields, but then the rain came down. He saw a wet cat and quickly drove his car to save it. Safe at home, they drank hot milk and became best friends.